How to delete TikTok messages from both the side. If any day you are a TikTok user and you send a wrong message to any of your friend in the TikTok and you would like to delete those message from both the side, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi Fi connection or your data connection. After that, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. You have to find the very TikTok application and tap on TikTok like this. This way, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the option of inbox here. After tapping on the option of inbox, now what will happen is that it will take you to an interface like this. Now, after it takes you to an interface like this, and any day you send a wrong message to any of your friend in the TikTok like this, for example, tap on any of the friend here and here like this. After you tap on the friend like this, now any day if you send any of the wrong messages, for example, I sent a hurt like this, which is a wrong message here, and if you like to delete it, you have to tap on the message here and then go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the three dots as well. Otherwise, you have to tap on like this and then go to the option of delete. And here you have to tap on the option for delete for everyone. So this way, your message will be deleted from both the sides. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.